Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter caramel full guide. Start by measuring 200 g sugar and 120 g butter and warm 120 ml cream. Heat sugar over medium heat until amber, then carefully add butter in pieces while stirring. Slowly pour warmed cream and stir until smooth. Add a pinch of salt and let cool slightly before using. This method gives rich, glossy caramel ideal for drizzling or filling. Warm and conversational, follow these steps closely for best results. Melt 200 g sugar until it becomes amber and aromatic, then remove from heat and add 120 g butter in small pieces while stirring. Return briefly to low heat if needed, then slowly drizzle in 120 ml warmed heavy cream while stirring to combine. Finish with a pinch of salt and cool to thicken. Use immediately or store in a jar in the fridge for later use. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier with leak-proof containers that keep your caramel safe and mess-free, perfect for gifting or storing leftovers. I spotted a great set that works well for portions and transport, and it pairs surprisingly nicely with homemade treats. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you encounter issues, stay calm and use simple fixes. For crystallization, add a teaspoon of water and reheat gently while stirring. If the sauce is too thin, simmer on low until it thickens to your liking, watching closely to avoid burning. If it seizes when cream is added, continue stirring off heat and warm gradually to bring it back together. Small adjustments solve most caramel problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.